but life goes by so quickly, and it's such a sunny day. Fishing, do you wanna go? We could head out.
Previously, and the special episode was the episode on the floods. This is the fishing straight afterwards, so enjoy, folks. Well folks, here we are again, back down Culburra Beach. Seeing what it's like today. Out there is pretty dirty. No bites as yet. But, should you come down here for whatever go, if you don't catch anything tonight, well, today we'll go out for a quick look tonight after dinner. Go pump some nippers and try and pick up a brim or two up further. Looks fairly clean here. But yeah, we can only judge. Tide's on the run out. I said there's been no bites so far, not even a touch. But it's not to say supper doesn't come around soon. There's a good hole in front of me. Bit of a side current coming through here. You got the reef up there, so there's perfect. Salmon, tailor, few brim. Anyway folks, take a seat. I'll have a sweet me drink over here and we'll go from there. Talk soon folks. Well folks, 30 minutes, a couple of small bites, nothing really serious today. Well, that's how it started the other day. The water's a bit dirty now, it's sort of dirtied up again. It was beautifully clear in front of me before. Now it's gone really, really dirty. Here we fade today, and little Bendy's down here. We had to cut him back. See, there he is. Well, I got some drone footage for this video, this episode. Be nice to get some fish episode again, but yep. Now it's fishing. The southern side's now clear. This side was clear this morning. Can't win. You can't pick it. But anyway, you still fish. That's just what you do. And I never knew salmon to be partial for clear water anyway. Now dirty water fish sometimes, they like the brackish. I've caught them in rivers and estuaries and everything. Anyway, we'll keep trying, and yeah, hopefully we'll get a feed today, and if not, we'll have plenty of bait left. We'll come back and give it a crack another day. That's what fishing's about. You get some, you win some, you lose some. Hopefully today I'll win some. Till lunch folks, talk soon. Yeah ladies, I think I missed the fight. Yeah, but we're one up. Yeah. And we're up a second one, ladies, gentlemen. Just as good as the first one. Come on, turn you bitch. Come on, come on, turn. That's it. You still there? Oh yeah. Come on, you're not as big as the other one. Why'd you play up so much? Dropped it there when I hooked up on 2 fish in 2 seconds. Well folks, haven't got a line in the water. Over there, 2 salmon. I think I got footage of one of them, but not the second. The first one. First one's bigger, he's about 2.5 kilo. Second one's about just probably 1.8. But still, big fish by anybody's things. There's dinner sorted. Now to go and catch another one. I've got to put a hook on that one. What a fight. And it's same as we did before. Right, we got the salted blue bait like this. Lay him along your line like that. Half inch across the tail. Pull tight once. Pull tight twice. There you go. Keeps the bait presented nice and straight. Before I get the other one in the water, I've actually got to re-hook him. So I was having a whinge before about dirty water. I didn't have to whinge. Dirty water made no difference. All right, folks, here we go. While I'm putting a new hook on, Faye's now in charge of this rod. All right, folks, back soon. Okay, folks, re-rigged up, new sinker on and a new hook on the main. Let's look back over him. He ain't doing anything. Let's get this guy back out there, eh? And I think I'm getting a bite on that one over there, but there you go. Drag set. Let's wait for more. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, we're back into another fish. Yeah, got him. Oh, nice. Well, this is it for the day. This is the wrap. Yeah, it looks like we might actually have a fish here. No, we missed him. Oh well folks, that's it from this beach. Hope you enjoyed your day. You saw two fish landed and I lost a big fella. I thought the camera was going but I missed it, so anyway, as you can see, the baits haven't even been touched this second time round. So thank you for watching another Clive's Fishing Adventures, and there's the track home from here. Yeah, we will talk to you on the next one very soon, probably at the other end of the beach I reckon this time. Might go up near Culburra itself. Top lines folks, thanks for watching. Remember, hit like, subscribe, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook. All the links are there, and yeah, without you viewers these videos wouldn't be possible. Enjoy. Well, there it is folks, end of today. That was the walk back down there so far. Rest of the walk's up here, back to the car. Still only 3 fish. And I found my other water bottle. I knew I'd lost one, but anyway, nobody's been down here, so I know it wasn't touched. Yeah, to walk back to the car. Lovely fishing afternoon. Bloody buggered, but yep. The car is just here. There she is. So we're back. Folks, thanks for watching.